This is the first time they are tasting this this food. This is seafood. This is seafood. They are trying. Let's see. No, just make small pieces. Make small pieces. Make small pieces. Hey, wait. Now, how is the taste, Nisha?
Yummy and tasty.
Yeah, you like this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Octopus time. Octopus Yansen.
She's coming?
Yep.
Who is also?
Going in there. It's a smell. It's a good. You go.
You like octopus, Nisha? Octopus. You like octopus, yeah? You want it more? Here is octopus. Eat. Eat. Chew properly. Chew properly. You chew properly. If you don't chew, then that's the problem. Chew properly. That is spicy, Zodi, I think. Octopus. Octopus खाएको हैन octopus चाहिँ एकदम टेस्ट चाहिँ एकदमै बवालै भयो सबले खाइरहेछ के octopus लभरहरु यता छ है तर एक्चुअली कसैले खाला जस्तो मलाई लागेको छैन के याङजेले खान्छ octopus खाऊ ल फर्स्ट टाइम भएर नि यस्तो भयो होला
मिठो हैन म त जिन्दगीमा खाँदैन
octopus खाएको एकदमै खतरै एक्सपिरियन्स भएको छ युसाङलाई युसाङ you really love to eat octopus, right? Yeah? Nisang, you like octopus?
No.
Yeah? You don't eat meat, but yeah.
Never.
She haven't eaten?
I never eat.
And I'm the one eating now. So, कसैले खाएन म एउटैले चाहिँ खाइरहेको छु octopus. Nisang, you want to eat one more time octopus? Huh? Enough or you want to eat octopus? One eater. Nisang. खतरै एक्सपिरियन्स भयो क्या युसाङले चाहिँ के गरेछ भनेदेखि यस्तो चाहिँ यो सलाकै निलेछ कि अनि सलाकै निल्दा यो घाँटीमा अड्केर क्वाक भयो त यो घाँटीमा अड्केर युसाङ पछि त अनि उसले के गरेर म्यानेज गर्यो त्यो सट्टै सलाकै निल्यो होइन अनि एकचोटि त रातो पिरो भएको थियो क्या अब युसाङले यहाँ सी फुड खाएको होइन कस्तो भयो फर्स्ट टाइम नै ट्राई गरेको थियो अक्टोपस एकदमै कस्तो भयो क्या कस्तो उकुस मुकुस भयो होइन अनि यति खाइसकेपछि अब एकछिन अर्को पनि केही खाउँ भनेर किनभने यो सी फुडले पेट अगाएन त्यो नअगा भएर चाहिँ एकछिन अन्त पनि के खाउँ भनेर अब अर्कै लोकल रेस्टुरेन्टतिर के लोकल खानेकुरा खान हिँडिरहेको छौँ हामी चाहिँ ओह त्यता छ खाने टिमहरू यता अब यतैतिर कहाँ आइपुग्यो यो ठाउँमा आइपुग्यो अब हामी चाहिँ यहाँनिर चाहिँ के हुन्छ त्यो खाने ल tell me your experience about octopus. After you eat octopus, what happened? Tell me now. What happened? Tell me that. You do like that? Who can show? Show. How was your experience? Yangjin? The यो भन त ल यो सँग कस्तो भयो त अक्टोपस खायो
मम्मी माए हैन म घर ल्याएर थियो अनि खखर न अड्केर
Octopus, yes.
Number 2.
Yeah, number 2. Yeah, number 2. You know
And
whatever.
my roll number.
Yeah, that's your roll number. Yeah. So,
Who my roll number is 6?
look, listen. Your experience was very good, yeah.
My roll number is 2.
Ngama to some.
2. 6.
Yeah, some.
1. 6. 1.
After the octopus cluck cluck. Octopus cluck cluck. Isang. The chest, guys. The chest.
विङ्स खाएर आएर फेरि यता अकुरेसनमा पसेको बच्चाहरू
Isang.
खानेकुरा नपुगेर फेरि यहाँ ल्याएर फगिन
Isang. Be careful, eh? Don't do. Okay. Don't do that. Okay. Don't do that. Okay. Oh. Look. Oh. Be careful, be careful. Be careful, be careful. You will be again clock, 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 clock. No. Sorry, don't. You also do now.